Hey guys, welcome back to Pokemon Brown. And today, what I was doing is I was going on YouTube, so I can see what I have to do. And I have to go to Route 11 by using the Skytrain pass they gave me. So I think we started out in the housing district, so that's where I'm gonna go. I don't remember how to get there. Because I haven't played this in a while. I'm just trying to figure out what to do. And I was like, you know what, I'm not doing this. I'm just going to go to YouTube. So, go in. What is that? It's so ugly. Who thinks of that? Just two little pillars floating. Maybe it's just not loading in right. Anthem City. I don't know what. Wait. I don't know where I got Where's Warrior from. Because apparently that's the region we're in. So. And what district is this? I think it's the shopping district. Is that the housing district? No, that's the battle district. Oh, is this one? Let's go check. Is that it? I see a sign. Yup, there we go. So there should be a desert on Route 11. However you pronounce it. This way. Oh, it's laggy. Just like the weird lag you watch too. Yeah, it needs a load in. So where do we start at? Is it over here? Let me turn this down. I think, yup, here it is. So we're finally continuing Pokemon Bronze. That guy has a hoverboard. I want one. Alright, so here it is. It's Route 11. I kind of like saying route better than route. Route sounds weird. Oh! Alright. I think I need to talk to her. Would you like to ride Creme? Oh, she's sleeping. But it kind of is a boring job to just sit there all day. But you get to fly around. That's the fun part. So we gotta ride the Skytrain, which is up here. What the heck? Is this the entrance? That's a weird entrance. And then we have to go to Route. I don't know if we continue our journey on Route 10 or 11. But I'm gonna go 11 first. 11. So it should be some desert. That's where we should go to. Yup, here we are. To the big desert. How are we at the same place? Oh, here it is. So what do you have to say? Route 11 is nothing but a big, hot desert path. On the one end of Route 11 is an entrance to Krangoose Mines, which is the other end that leads to Iridia City. Yes, Iridia City is a beautiful sand desert. You can run there, problem. Alright, we're done. Looks like a trainer over here. Whoa. This place is big. How am I supposed to know what? Oh! I'm guessing sand like Pokemon. Whoa! I might actually catch this. I might. Do I even have any Pokeballs? Well, I actually have a lot. So I'm gonna Mega Evolve. Mega Evolution. And then I'm gonna use Psycho Cut. So Mega Evolve. Alright. Psycho Cut. Oh crap. That did a lot of damage. I think should I throw an Ultra Ball at it? Should I fight it one more time? No, I'm actually gonna throw an Ultra Ball at it. Ultra Ball. See if I catch it. Oh crap. You know what? If it dies, then that sucks to be him. Sandstorm. Oh, what? There's just a sandstorm. Oh no. He's asleep underground. How is that fair? How? I'm gonna Night Slash, even though it's not gonna do anything. Oh, he's out. I'm gonna Night Slash him. Yep. Oh, he's dead. If that's the evolved Hippopotamus, I would want that. Yeah, I have no idea if I'm at the right place. A Trapinch.
Homework time!
It would be fun to have a Flygon, but I'm not gonna catch it. Just gonna run. Wait, I didn't name my Absol. Oh, a trainer. Hello. Show him. How is he gonna be here? He's got like a green beard. Alright. Mega Evolution and Night Slash. Absolute? What the heck? Oh, one shot, wow. Sucks that there's always a sandstorm. Another one, wow. More cacti. We don't need your cactus Pokemon. You don't Night Slash it again. Not even effective. Night Slash. And, oh, I thought he wasn't gonna die. But he's dead. Sandstorm's raging. And I'm buffed by this sandstorm. Cacnea. Why does he have so many of these Pokemon? Like, do you just pick up cactus or cacti? It's not okay. You don't just pick up cacti. And another one. How many of these Cacneas does he have? He's got a full 6 party. They better not be all Cacnea. Can't you at least evolve? Sandstorm's raging. And I'm getting buffed by the sandstorm. And he's gotta flip another one. And another. His attacks suck. What? I don't know. Another one. His last Pokemon better be different, or else he's gonna be such a weak trainer. Wow. Well, he needs to go leave because that was his water supply. And is this the right way? I'm gonna head over here. And a trainer. My eyes didn't meet her, so this sign. Oh crap! Why did I do that? You know what? After this, oh, you got a dicklet. You're a jerk. I'm getting buffed by the sandstorm. Mega evolution and a big fat nice slash. Mega keystone. It's not like waste your mega evolution. This ab still probably hates me. And he's dead. Goodbye, Diglett. All these trainers have Pokemon that are level 44. Drober. Nope. Actually, that's like a steel type, I think, so my Delphox would have been better for that. Wow. Delphox. And I'm gonna flamethrower. Just because he's steel type, I think. Steel ground? No, maybe not. I think he's like ground something. But I know Excadrill is so steel type. And another, I just flamethrowed by accident. Hopefully it kills though. Wow, he avoided it. No. Dang. I need to like psychic. And he's gonna die. Faint. A lot of people say faint. I say die. Sandslash. How many Pokemon do you have? God. Don't need 500. Oh, this is her last one. You know, I'm just gonna straight up kill him. Dude. Dead. Huh? Yeah, but I do it on Thursday. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring my notification bells. Goodbye.